teenagers with their raging hormones. I mean, they can't control themselves. It's like, come on, people. Yes, we can.
In the light of day, and you can't choose what stays and what fades away, and I do anything to make you stay. No light, no